Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install iOS 12.1 once the update has been downloaded. So once you've downloaded it and entered your passcode, hit return and then you'll see this pop up. Now what it's going to do is reboot in just a second, and then it's going to come up with an Apple logo, a bar going across. See, now we're on the reboot. Now watch what's going to happen. See, the screen flashes and then you'll see this. And now this bar is going to go across. I won't film the whole process because it is quite long. Because there's 2 bars to get through. And that'll be it for now. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And share this video with your friends so they can learn how to install any iOS update.